everyone, welcome back to Get Droid Tips, and in this video we're going to talk about how to fix battery drain issue on iOS 17. Many users having this particular issue, and we're going to talk about how we can fix it. The first one, not sometimes, every time when Apple releases a software update, it fixes a lot of issues which is currently the users are having some bugs or might be having some trouble, and all these are fixed by a software update. So when you're having a battery drain issue, the first one is all about you have to go over here in the settings, and you have to go over here in the general, and you have to go for a software update, and you have to check whether you are having software update or not. If you're on the iOS 17 and it is on the latest version, it is fine with it. But if you're having any lower versions of beta or something, just update your iOS to the latest version. That is what you have to do as the first step. So if that is not working, we can move to the next step. Next step is all about one of the main reason many users end up in having the battery issue is they use a lot of background apps. If you can check over here, there are a lot of things running in the background, which is one of the main reason why we are having the battery issue. So if we are having too much of apps running in the background, the first thing is all about you have to remove everything one by one. And also you can parallelly check. If you go over here in the settings, if you go over here in the scroll down and navigate to battery over here. Now if you scroll down a little bit, you will be able to find these things are actually utilizing the battery, and also will be understood that how much they are utilizing it. So according to this, if you find any of these apps running over here, which is one of the main reason why you are having the battery issue, you have to remove everything from there, and you have to completely get rid of the background apps running in the background. This is what you have to do. Even after trying with this, if the issue is still there, you can try with the next one. That is all about we have to make sure that the locations are not turned on. For this, we just need to go over here in the settings, keep scrolling down over here, and we have to go to privacy and security, go over here in the location services, and right now as you can see all these things are utilizing in the background. So you have to make sure the first, if this is turned off, you have to make sure this is turned on. At the same time, we can see there are a lot of apps utilizing the location services, which is costly for the battery drain. So either you can customize it according to your need, you can customize it, or you can completely turn this off. You can completely turn this off. And once you turn this off, you can do it in both way. Either you can turn off the entire location, or you can customize it according to need for a particular app. Last and the least one is all about whenever you are having this particular trouble. Last and the least one is all about sometimes you might be receiving a lot of notifications from any social media apps, along with emails might be receiving, which is one of the main reason why we are having these kind of issues. So you might be receiving push notifications from the email, which is from which the particular account you might be signed in with many things, for example, Myntra, Flipkart, Amazon, and many more things. At the same time, we'll be having a lot of things, which is one of the main reason why many of us is having the crashing, this particular battery drain issue. For this, we just need to go over here, settings. Now, if you scroll down and navigate to email, if you go over here in the accounts, you'll be able to see this. Tap on this particular one, fetch new data, and there is an option called push. So if you turn this off, you'll not be receiving any kind of these notifications, so you're fine with this. Once afterwards, if you go back to the settings and if you navigate to the battery, hereafter you'll not be having any kind of troubles with the battery in the iOS 17, and most probably they should be completely fixed. And this is what you have to do when it comes to how to fix the battery issue on iOS 17. And I hope this video is helpful, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon for more notification. See you soon in the next video. Peace out. Bye bye.